Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to add materials in Schoology, specifically the adding of pages and the adding of folders. In case you're new to my channel, we look at online platforms, tools, and resources that might be beneficial to the teaching and learning experience. Go to the Courses tab and click Courses. It will allow you to select any course that you'd like to add materials to. And then you're just going to go ahead and click that. That will then redirect you to a page with the Add Materials tab. Now, on this tab, you have several options of things that you can add. So once you click it, it's going to be a drop box. A drop box will appear and it has different items on it. In this case, we're going to be adding a folder. So that's the first thing that we're going to click. And this is the page that will appear. So you have the option of adding a title. You also have the option of customizing your folder, and then the dates. You can add the date. So when you click the calendar, this is what you're going to be seeing. And at the bottom of the page is the availability tab, and this gives the teacher control as to how soon the students are able to view any work done. Published means that they're able to see it at the same time. Unpublished means they're not able to until that setting is changed. And the other two are pretty self-explanatory. So once you do that and you're finished, you're just going to click Create at the bottom of the page, and it will direct you to this page. At the top, you will see that your folder has been created. So what you're going to do in order to check to see if it's there, you're going to go to the Courses tab, then go back to the subject that you added that folder for. Once you click on that, it will bring you to this page that is loading, and then you're able to see the folder. Click that icon and it will show you a list of things that you're able to do. Next, we're going to learn how to add a page to that folder. So we're going to go to the folder Grade 10, click it. Once we do that, it will take us inside of the folder. Then click Add Materials. The drop box will appear. Go to Add Page. Once you do that, it will open the Add Page settings, and you're able to navigate through it. You're able to type whatever information you want, select colors. You're able to add media files, links, etc. And you're also able to add tables. So I added a welcome message to my add page. So now we're going to open the folder to see what that looks like. Alright, so there's the welcome message. You can see it on the screen, and this is what it looks like. There's so much you can do.